Ford and General Motors (GM) find themselves in a perplexing predicament. Once considered stalwarts, these American icons are grappling with unprecedented challenges in the EV race. In this video, we delve into the intricate web of financial losses, market dynamics, and the unexpected shift in consumer preferences that are reshaping the narrative of the EV industry. Leaving us a like proves you like what we do here. Then be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified of any recent video. Thank you. Let's begin with the Ford dilemma. Ford, synonymous with American automotive excellence, is currently weathering a storm in the EV sector. Astonishingly, the company is facing a staggering loss of $36,000 on each EV sold, far exceeding the cost of a brand new car. In a single quarter, the electric vehicle division reported an operating loss of $1.3 billion, a significant escalation from the previous quarter. Even the highly anticipated F-150 Lightning, Ford's flagship electric truck, has been deemed a failure, with production coming to a halt. The situation is so dire that Ford CEO Jim Farley is urging stakeholders to overlook mounting financial setbacks, portraying the company as a starstruck player in the EV arena. Now, let's get a GM in what I will say, General Motors' precarious position. Turning our attention to General Motors, the situation appears even more precarious. Over 1,000 employees were laid off in a single week, and reports suggest accidents involving GM's EVs have resulted in fatalities. CEO Mary Bara is under scrutiny for decisions affecting plummeting EV sales and challenges in the self-driving car division. GM's ambitious plan to produce 400,000 electric vehicles by mid-2024 has taken a significant hit due to a lack of demand. The company is not just slowing down. It is making tough decisions to navigate turbulent waters, contemplating cost-cutting measures, deferring factory expansions, and resorting to stock buybacks to appease shareholders. What are the root causes of all these? The root cause of this crisis lies in substantial investments in EV development coupled with challenging market dynamics. Despite pouring resources into cutting-edge electric cars, sales figures have failed to match expectations. In North America, consumers remain reluctant to embrace EVs due to their premium price tags compared to traditional gas or hybrid vehicles. GM's autonomous vehicle unit, Crew, initially hailed as a potential triumph for ride-sharing robotaxis, has transformed into a nightmare following a tragic incident. A driverless vehicle struck and killed a pedestrian, prompting a halt in operations, executive resignations, and looming layoffs. The setback, coupled with an $800 million loss due to a United Auto Workers strike, leads GM in a precarious financial position. Ford faces an unexpected trend of EV buyers transitioning back to hybrids, with a staggering 50% opting for hybrid vehicles. Consumers desire affordable EVs with a range exceeding 300 miles, devoid of unnecessary technological gimmicks. Despite feedback, automakers like Ford and GM continue to overlook consumer demands. As the automotive industry faces what could be deemed the most significant crisis of the century, the future of these automotive giants hangs in the balance. The complexities of transitioning to electric vehicles and the profound impact of market dynamics on industry leaders are underscored by the unfolding events. The challenges faced by Ford and GM in the EV industry serve as a stark reminder that the road to widespread EV adoption is more challenging than anticipated. As the industry grapples with financial constraints, consumer preferences, and political directives, the narrative of electric vehicles continues to evolve. The shockwaves from Ford and GM struggles reverberate across the automotive landscape, leaving enthusiasts and industry insiders alike intrigued and concerned about the future of the EV industry. The current plight of Ford and General Motors in the electric vehicle (EV) industry serves as a microcosm of the broader challenges faced by automakers transitioning to an electrified future. Several key factors contribute to the intricate web of issues these automotive giants find themselves entangled in. Firstly, financial turmoil and strategic decisions. Ford's staggering loss of $36,000 on each EV sold raises eyebrows and prompts a deeper analysis of the financial dynamics within the company. General Motors, facing layoffs and fatalities involving its EVs, is grappling with the aftermath of strategic decisions that may not have aligned with market demands. Also, consumer preferences versus industry vision. The unexpected shift of EV buyers back to hybrids signals a crucial disconnect between what consumers desire and what automakers are currently offering. Ford's Mach-E, once a promising contender, has witnessed a substantial decline in sales, reflecting a struggle to attract buyers who seem to favor more affordable EVs. Thirdly, market dynamics and demand challenges. Despite significant investments in cutting-edge EV technology, both Ford and GM are grappling with a lack of demand. The ambitious production targets set by GM have encountered a significant setback due to a lack of consumer interest, mirroring a broader trend in the industry. The demand for affordable EVs remains unmet, with consumers hesitating to make the switch from traditional vehicles. Next, autonomous vehicles and safety concerns. The tragic incident involving GM's autonomous vehicle unit, Crew, serves as a stark reminder of the challenges in developing and implementing self-driving technology. Safety concerns have prompted operational halts, executive resignations, and a negative impact on GM's financial standing. This incident adds another layer of complexity to the industry's pursuit of autonomous vehicles. Furthermore, political pressure and environmental initiatives. The push from the Biden administration for stricter emissions regulations adds an additional layer of challenge for automakers. While this push is in line with environmental initiatives, it raises questions about whether automakers should prioritize political directives over customer preferences. Striking the right balance between environmental responsibility and consumer demand becomes a delicate dance for these industry leaders. Supply chain challenges and production delays. Both Ford and GM are facing challenges related to supply chain disruptions and production delays. Ford's request for dealers to make substantial investments in selling EVs while facing production delays and declining sales adds complexity to their relationship with dealerships. Last and not the least, the Tesla factor. Even Tesla, often considered the benchmark for electric cars, is not immune to challenges. The need to cut prices and offer deals to move inventory highlights the competitive landscape and the realization that the electric vehicle market is not a guaranteed success for any automaker. In essence, the EV industry's current landscape reflects the convergence of financial constraints, consumer preferences, technological challenges, and the evolving regulatory environment. Ford and GM's struggles serve as cautionary tales for automakers navigating the path toward electrification. The complexities and hurdles involved in this transition highlight the need for a nuanced approach that considers both market demands and the industry's long-term vision. As these automotive giants reassess their strategies and navigate the tumultuous waters of the EV market, the broader industry watches closely, learning valuable lessons that will shape the future of transportation. The road to widespread EV adoption is proving to be not just a technological challenge, but a multifaceted journey involving economics, consumer behavior, and the delicate balance between industry ambitions and real-world demands. Only time will reveal how these industry leaders adapt and innovate in response to the electrifying challenges they currently face. And now, let's hear from you in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's content, then leave us a like. Subscribe and ensure the bell notification is on to be notified of our recent content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.